How to add HBL card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. You can get this app easy from the App Store as this is the default app in your device. Launch it. You'll be directed to this page. Now go ahead and click on the plus icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Click on the option of debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Once you're on this page, you can position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. With that, all the card details will be automatically updated. Or else what you can do is click on this option, enter card details manually, then go ahead and type in your name and then card number and then click on next. In the next page, you will be prompted to type in the expiration date and security code. After you provide these details, click on next and go through the process. With that, the card details will be updated on your Apple Wallet. So this way you can easily add HBL card to Apple Wallet. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.